Varaha is worshipped as the third avatar of Vishnu. He is usually depicted with a human body and a boar's head, holding a disc, a conch shell, and a war club, symbols of his divine powers. In Hindu mythology, Vishnu took the form of a boar or a human with a boar's head to rescue the earth, personified by the goddess Bhudevi from the demon Hiranyaksha, who had kidnapped her at the bottom of the cosmic ocean. Legend has it that Varaha dived to the bottom of the ocean and fought a fierce battle with the demon Hiranyaksha, killing him after an epic battle that lasted 1,000 years. Afterwards, Varaha carried Bhudevi on his tusks to her rightful place. The goddess Bhudevi was so grateful to Varaha for saving her that she became his loyal devotee and vowed to always serve him. After rescuing the goddess, Varaha rested on Mount Meru, the axis of the world, and created the universe. He is sometimes referred to as the cosmic boar, and is said to have dug the earth out of the cosmic waters with his tusks. In this redemptive mission, Varaha symbolizes the divine force, capable of rescuing and purifying. The story reminds us that, even in the most demanding circumstances, light and truth will prevail over darkness and injustice.